So, when logging into Commusoft for the first time, there are a few prompts that you should be aware of and will need to consider. So, once you've put the login credentials in and hit login, you'll get a pop-up just saying that you're able to view other user stories. Do you want to benefit from this feature? And you'll just want to select no. Next, you'll want to be on Wi-Fi for everything to download. And the other thing to consider is just keeping your phone from going to sleep while the data is downloading, just because it can stop the login process and you'll have to start again. And once it has completed downloading everything, there'll be a few permissions depending on the settings on your phone. So do you want to use it to allow to make calls? You can allow that one. It just lets you call a contact from the app. Location device, you'll want to allow photos and media. This just allows you to take photos on the job or on an estimate. So you can allow that. And photos and record video, allow. That's it.